Hi, my name is Emily Souza. I'm the owner and director of Tiny Sprouts Early Childhood Center. In this facility, we have 4 different classrooms. We have an infant toddler classroom, 2-3s classroom, a pre-K3 classroom, and a pre-K4 classroom. One of our biggest goals here at Tiny Sprouts is keeping our environment clean at all times. And one of the biggest challenges is during flu season or cold season, we see that kids get sick very often. We have 50 to 60 kids here every day. That's a lot of diapers, a lot of germs. And so we were looking for a solution to that. One of our parents, Mike, who works for WB Mason, actually came out and presented a solution to us that could help us keep our air clean and free of airborne illnesses. He actually came into our facility with AeraMax. He showed us how many we would need in our facility and where we could set them up in our classrooms. Here we are 6 months later, and we love our machines, and so do our parents. We've seen a significant difference in the air quality, specifically the smells. Now in our rooms that we're changing diapers in, there's less of an odor. When we walk in the morning, the room smells fresh, and there's a complete difference with the way that it feels in our center. We've had parents come from other schools and have actually switched their child into our school specifically because we have these machines here. We are so happy with WB Mason and AeraMax for helping us out with these air purifiers. We are so happy with the support and the customer service from both of them. At the end of the day, our main goal is to keep the children safe and healthy, so we're really happy that we put these AeraMax machines into our facility.